to the lesson on compound consonants in Sanskrit. In this lesson, we will be looking at new compound consonant sounds that are created from two different consonant sounds. Let's have a look at few examples here. When the consonant sound k joins with the consonant sound ta, it forms a new compound consonant sound called kta. A word that uses kta in Sanskrit is shaktihi, which means power. When the consonant sound k joins with a different consonant sound ya, it forms a new compound consonant sound called kya. A word that uses kya in Sanskrit is Chanakyaha, who was a great scholar. When the consonant sound sh joins with a different consonant sound va, it forms a new compound consonant sound called shwa. A word that uses shwa in Sanskrit is Ishwaraha. When the consonant sound sh joins with the consonant sound na, it forms a new consonant sound called shna. A word that uses the compound consonant shna is Krishnaha. For more examples, please go into the homework section and find the homework for compound consonants. Also, don't forget to go in to the quiz section to check if you've got all the sounds right. Thank you for watching.